Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a Mexican grocery store and you're looking for an affordable professional website, you certainly are in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Mighty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with Mighty Sites yet, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for a small price of $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top here is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, Mexican grocery store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our Mexican grocery store so it can generate a simple website for our business. Let's go ahead and pop in our city and our state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your grocery store is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the various Mexican products you stock in your store. You want to showcase them on your website, you can absolutely do that. You can easily make amendments. You don't need to know any professional web skills or even hire a web professional to help you with this either. There's no coding needed. And even if you're not that tech savvy, you can do it all yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to do that today. Let's go ahead and head to the first section at the top and go ahead and pop in our email address over here. We want to make sure that email address is displayed on our website. So we want to go ahead and tick that box directly underneath it. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here, and that is click to call, by the way, very convenient for your customers to reach out. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my physical location, my street address. Great thing is when your website is live, your customers can click on that address and it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Awesome. Let's move along to the logo. If you have a logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, you can take a look at canva.com. Lots of great free options. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, add filters, zoom in, go ahead and click on that little pencil. Otherwise, click on save and you can make it bigger and smaller on the right under customize logo. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to go ahead and change them, no color coding needed at all. Click on that little paint bucket, bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Let's check it out. Awesome. That looks great. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image, browse your device, otherwise search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. You can play around with the keywords a little bit, search for various keywords of products you stock and find what images are suitable for you. Under update content, you can change the copy to suit your business needs. Buttons can link to various places. Maybe you're off an online ordering system. You could put, so when people click on that button, it will automatically take them to the online ordering system. Click on choose link if you want to link, choose where it links to. You can link to another website, an action. Otherwise, upload a PDF file. Great way to upload a catalog or your current promotions, offers, deals in PDF format. Awesome. That looks absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. Over here in the last section is where you can put your trading hours for your business so your customers know exactly what hours your business is trading. Head on over to update hours, pop in your various trading hours, and they will be displayed in the section over here. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you want to purchase one to make your website look even more professional, go ahead and click on this button over here. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your Mexican grocery store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.